Hi everyone and welcome to Bumby. I am participating in the Look for Less challenge hosted by my friend Yami, the Latina next door, and Kristin from Kristin's Chaotic Life. Okay guys, this challenge is all about looking for something that you want that is pricey online and trying to reproduce this item for less money. Before we get started, I want to talk a little bit about Yami, the Latina next door. I just want to thank you, Yami, for your love and your support. Guys, when I just started my YouTube channel and I probably had, I don't know, just a couple of subscribers, I met Yami through a Facebook group, and she immediately chit-chatted with me, subscribed and supported my channel to this day. So thank you so much, Boricua, for your love and your support. And mi niña linda, te deseo mucho éxito a ti y tu familia y muchas bendiciones para este 2019. Okay guys, so let me show you what I came up with. So many of you that have been following the channel do know that I've been having a struggle finding the perfect tray for this ornament here in my living room by the couch. So I put my thinking cap on. I went to the garage and let me show you what inspired me. I can tell you this right now, there's no way that this cheapskate is going to pay $49.95 for a wooden tray. So after being inspired by that Pier 1 wooden farmhouse tray, I went into my garage and I found this cookie sheet, I don't know, and in my donate pile. Yeah, but see, it's a good size, it's pretty heavy duty. So I said to myself, there is my tray. Then, of course, I had this on hand already, the wood shelf paper from the Dollar Tree. And then going through another box of stuff that I saved, because, guys, I try not to throw anything away. Hi, Rika. You just love to be part of these videos, don't you, baby girl? What you want? You want a treat? Okay. All right. Mama give you a treat in a minute. Let me finish my video. And then in my stash, I found these plastic handles. So I am going to try to create my wooden tray. And the total cost for this, for me, was $0. Because I already had everything you see here on hand. Okay, guys? So let's put this tray together. Okay, come here. If I give you a treat, here. If I give you a treat, are you going to leave me alone? Well, come here. There you go. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Rika I've had since she was a little kitten, and Rika is a bobtail cat. Her tail is not, you know, as long and as normal as other cats. And she's completely white with pink ears and a pink nose. Hi, Rika. Come here with Mama. Come here. You just love to be on my table, don't you? Okay, so let's get started on this tray. What I did first was I cut a big piece of this wooden shelf paper, and this is going to be the bottom of my cookie sheet or pan, whatever you want to call it. And then I cut a piece that fits exactly here in the middle. Okay? So wish me luck that this works. And let's get started putting this tray together. So guys, I changed my mind. I'm not going to be using these plastic handles. I think I want to do, so it looks a little more fancier. I think I want to do rope all the way around the tray. See if you can see what that looks like. And then do handles made out of rope. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this rope all the way down. Okay? Happy how it's turning out. See the edging there with the 2 rows of rope. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and make my handles. So I'm just going to measure it like so. And then I'm going to make 2 handles exactly the same. Okay guys, so not so bad. I do have a couple of little wrinkles there, but if I patiently sit down now and lift it up and smooth it out, I can fix that. Let's just go ahead and style this Faux wooden tray. I have this big handle here. Not so bad with supplies here in stock, and it cost me no money. Okay guys, so what did you think? Not as great as I thought it would turn out, but not as bad. For no cost, all things that I had here at home. Like I said, that cookie sheet I was going to donate. The shelf paper I already had, and the rope I already had. So I think it looks cute. It gives me that farmhouse wooden tray look that I wanted. And I got it, and I sure saved $49.99 by not buying one at Pier 1 Imports. Okay guys, thank you so much for all the new subscribers. Thank you everyone for watching my videos. Don't forget to watch the Dollar Tree haul, which I have giveaway announcements. Thank you so much to the host of this Look for Less challenge, Yami and Kristin. Don't forget guys, there's a playlist, a link below. Check out their channels because you can get a lot of ideas of how to do home decor for a lot less money. Please check out Yami and Kristin's channel. All you have to do is click on their picture. Yami will be right over here and Kristin right over there. Thank you all. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.